Hey guys, welcome to day 6 of our Bali tour. As I mentioned earlier, today we're heading to a pottery session, the famous Kanto Lampo Waterfall in Ubud, and later, we'll be wrapping up the night with a visit to one of the world's best beach clubs in Seminyak. So let's get started. We spent last night at a really peaceful place called Triana Resort Karangsari. We booked it through Agoda and paid around 65 USD. It had such a cozy atmosphere, and the staff were super friendly. The place was calm, clean, and surrounded by nature. The perfect spot to unwind after a long day of travel. Honestly, it's a great place if you plan to stay a few days. Definitely more relaxing than just a one-night stop like ours. We totally recommend it. Next up, we went to Surayu Pottery for a pottery session. The space was beautiful and had a really creative vibe. But unfortunately, we couldn't join the session because we didn't reserve a time slot in advance. So pro tip, if you want to do pottery here, make sure to book ahead before showing up. From there, we headed to the well-known Kanto Lampo Waterfall. The place is very well maintained. And the entrance fee was just $3 per person. It took us about 20 minutes to reach the waterfall. And yes, it was pretty crowded. The waterfall is absolutely stunning. If you're planning to take photos, be ready to wait in a queue. But trust me, the view is worth it. After that, we hit the road again, this time towards Seminyak. On the way, we stopped for lunch at an Indian restaurant called Nana's Kitchen. It was clean, spacious, and had tons of variety on the menu. The food was delicious. And the total cost for our meal was around 15 USD. Really good value for money. Later, we reached our hotel, did a quick outfit change. And then it was time to experience Bali's nightlife. Let me tell you, nightlife in Bali is a whole different vibe. The streets are full of life, music, lights, people. It's a party everywhere. We headed to the legendary Finn's Beach Club, and guess what? Entrance was free. The atmosphere was amazing, real party energy. but also super chill if you just want to sit back and enjoy. There are different areas you can choose from depending on your mood. Poolside, beach bar, lounge areas, you name it. Pro tip, if you're a vlogger or content creator, be aware that cameras with handles or extended grips are prohibited inside. Drinks and food were reasonably priced, and we honestly had such a great time. It was the perfect way to end the day. So that's a wrap for day 6. Tomorrow, we're heading to Uluwatu to catch the famous fire dance performance and sunset views. Plus, we'll be visiting a local market for some shopping. So don't miss it. As always, like, share, and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or suggestions, just drop them down in the comments. So see you in the next episode.